All right, guys, welcome back. We are now going to look. This paper actually looks really similar to what we did yesterday, but we're looking here at page 27. So go ahead and get this one out. At the very top, you should see where it says sharing one candy bar. So go ahead and get this one out for me. And we'll get started in a second. All right, so yesterday we looked at splitting 5 candy bars. We had 5 candy bars that we were splitting. Today we're going to be only splitting 1 candy bar, but you'll see that the actual table looks really similar with the number of people, the models, and the equations. So we're going to be putting a 1 in this first column all the way down because we're only going to be splitting 1 candy bar this time. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do the equation just like we did before, and then we're going to draw the model. So my equation this time is, once again, whatever is getting split goes first. And in this case, the part getting split is candy bars, right? That's always been the first number because I can split something like food or candy. I'm not going to split people. This right here is one person's eating this candy bar. So I've got 1 candy bar to split, and I've got 1 person who is going to eat the candy bar. So let me draw it. So we're going to draw 1 candy bar. Here's my candy bar. And I can draw it pretty big because I'm going to only draw 1 on every single one of these models. And that 1 person is going to eat the candy bar. So I get to eat that entire candy bar because I don't have to split it with anybody. I'm the only one eating. So my equation would be that I'm going to get 1 whole candy bar. All right, so that's what my actual equation is going to show, 1 whole candy bar. Now let's see how it gets different when I start adding more people to share. So this time, I'm once again going to split 1 candy bar, but this time 2 people are going to eat it. So here's my 1 candy bar that I'm splitting, but this time I'm splitting with 2 people. So I've got 2 people here. So I'm going to now draw my candy bar again, but instead of me being able to eat the entire thing, I'm going to have to split it into 2 pieces. And I'm going to be able to eat this piece. And I'm going to give this piece to Miss Manchester. So she's going to be able to eat that piece. So now I have to figure out how much of this candy bar am I eating. And I'm actually only eating half of it. I'm eating half and she's eating half. And how did I get there? Remember we talked about yesterday. Whatever is being split is the numerator. And however many people are splitting it is the denominator. And the nice thing about this is it's not improper like the ones yesterday were, so I can leave it just like that. Remember, when it's an improper fraction, I need to change it to a mixed number. But right here, I can just do exactly that and put in my whatever's being split, my candy bar, on my numerator, and my people in the denominator. So now you're going to look at if there's 4 people, 6 people, and 12 people, how is that going to change? How much of the candy bar are you going to get? Remember, my answer here tells me how much are you going to get. So I'm going to get a whole in this one, and I'm going to get a half in this one. Think about how much are you going to get if you're splitting it with 4 people. Once you've done that, you have a couple more pages to look at some more of these examples. And we'll be back again tomorrow going over a picnic example of splitting some food for a picnic. All right, good luck, guys. Make sure you get your pages done.